Hey guys, so today I'm gonna talk about coffee and how it processes. So we have to choose the dark red color coffee cherry and leave the small bud for them in order for them to grow the new one. And now we have to pour the coffee cherry that we pick it up from the tree into the container with water in order to wash them. And now we wash them by hand. And after we washing them by hand and taking the floating coffee cherry out, now we put the coffee cherry on a scale and weigh them before we have to average the temperature inside of fermenting container to get the ambient temperature and pH level by using pH meter and thermometer.
Okay, so here we have the different coffee beans that have been processed under two different processes. So first we have honey process and wash process. They are being dried under the sun now before they are getting roasted. So the difference is we have honey process, that is when you take off the fruit flesh of the coffee berries and without washing off the sticky mucilage and just letting them dry like this under the sun. Next, we have wash process, that is after picking the coffee cherries, the fruit flesh is removed and they are washed with water until all the mucilage has been removed. So these are coffee beans that have been fermented first in a tank for 3 to 4 days, and they have this nice red-brown color because they took the color from the coffee cherries. We have fermented them with plum, and that will give the coffee a different taste and different aroma. So the difference between honey process and wash process is that with honey process you will get a different smell, aroma and flavor to your coffee. It's going to be a bit more sweet because the mucilage has this sweetness to it that the coffee beans will pick up. What is good with wash processed coffee beans is that they are less susceptible to mold and there's less risk of them going bad. What we also have to do is separate the bad beans from the good beans because it will affect the flavor negatively. These, for example, have been eaten by weevil and will make the flavor go bad.